All of you, today I am going to teach you about phonics, a very important part of English. As you all know that cat sound is meow, meow, and the sound of the dog is bow, bow. As all the animals have their own sound, like in English, all the alphabets have their own sounds. From A to Z, each and every alphabet has their own sound. So now a question arises, what is phonics? The sounds of the letters are called phonics. Now we will learn what are the uses of phonics. phonics हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? फॉर रीडिंग वर्ड्स, फॉर रीडिंग सेंटेंसेस. अभी जैसे कि आजकल का एक बहुत ही बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, बच्चों को रीडिंग में प्रॉब्लम होता है. वैसे ही हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर हम लोग phonics पढ़ेंगे तो वो हम लोग का कहाँ पे यूज़ हो जाएगा. हम लोग जो छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स हो चाहे बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स हो, हम लोग उसको रीड नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ phonic sound we are able to read all the hard words and sentences. Okay, so let's start. So the first letter is A. A stands for apple. Apple. A for apple. A stands for ant. Ant. A for apple. A for ant. So the sound of A is A. A. Next B. B for bat. B for ball. So B for bat. B for ball. B sounds B. B. Next the letter C. C for cat. C for cup. So C for cat. C for cup. C sounds K. K. Next the letter D comes. D for ducks. D for dog. So D for ducks and D for dog. D sound is D. D. Next the letter comes E. E for egg. Egg. E for elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. So E sounds is E. E. Next F. F for fish. F for frog. F for fish and F for frog. So F sound is next G. G for goat. G for grass. G for goat. G for grass. So G sound is G. G. Next H. H for hat. H for hand. H sound is H. Hand. Hat. Next is I. I for ink. I for insect. I for ink. I for insect. So the sound of I is E. E. Next J. J for juice. J for jar. J for juice. J for jar. So the sound of J is J. J. Next the letter K comes. K for kite. K for king. K for kite and K for king. So the K sound is K. K. L for leaf. L for lamb. L for leaf and L for lamb. So the sound of L is L. L. M for man. M for monkey. M for man and M for monkey. So the letter M sound is Next, N. N for nose. N for neck. N for nose and N for neck. So the letter N sound is O for ocean. Ocean. O for old. O for ocean and O for old. So the letter O sound is O. O. P for plum. P for parrot. P for plum and P for parrot. So the letter P sound is P. P. Next, queen. Q for quail. Q for queen and Q for quail. So the letter Q sound is Qu. Qu. R for rope. R for rat. R for rope. R for rat. So the letter R sound is Next, S. S for sunflower. S for sun. S for sunflower and S for sun. So the letter S sound is Next, T. T for tap. Tap. T for tub. Tub. So the letter T sound is T. T. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for uncle. So the letter U sound is Uncle. Umbrella. Next, V. V stands for violet. And V stands for violin. V, violet. V, violin. V sound is V. V. Next, W. W for well. W for water. W for well and W for water. So W sound is V. V. Next, X. X sound is X. Box, fox. X. Next, Y. Y. Y sound is Y. Yellow, yatch. Yellow, yatch. Y for yellow and yatch. So Y sound is Y. Y. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So the letter Z sound is Z. Z. Thank you.